Peace be upon you. Welcome to Sufa Skills, a channel full of science, technology, and sense. Keep subscribing, sharing, liking, watching. Today we're going to be talking about shading a particular data range in a color shade based on top or bottom value. So sometimes you have a data range, a particular table, and you want this entire data to be formatted as per the minimum and maximum values. So you want to apply a color range across the entire table so that the color shade tells you if the value is close to the minimum, the maximum, or if it is in the middle. So the color shade is a very visually appealing thing for the one who is using the spreadsheet. But just by looking at the color, you can actually tell if it's close to the maximum or close to the minimum. You don't need to average it out by using formulas. It's a very nice way to present your things. And it's also very easy in Google Sheets. What you need to do is you need to select this range, Control plus Shift plus the down key, go to Format, click Conditional Formatting, and instead of using this single color dialog box, use the Color Scale dialog box. The range has already been selected, obviously, because you selected the column. Now you need to tell the format rule. So we need to tell Google that for the minimum value, you should go for a yellow color. So all values that are close to the minimum, Google will start highlighting them in a yellow shade. For the middle values, middle numbers, please shade them in a green color, maybe, something. I'm using the colors so that you can actually, differentiate between. And then you can later, change your own, apply your own scheme, use your own preferences. For the maximum, we want to tell Google to maybe use a red color. So I'm using these sharp colors so that you can actually identify. And ta-da, you're done. You see how easy it is? Just by a few tricks and clicks, your data is now, just by looking at it, I can actually tell this value is actually close to the largest or is the largest. This one is somewhere in the middle. This one is actually quite close to the middle. And this one is actually between the middle and the minimum. So, just by looking at this grid, I can actually tell you what kind of, how high the value is or how low the value is. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Keep watching Sufa Skills for more amazing science, technology, and sense related contents. Peace be upon everyone watching the channel.